Meaning of hot cross bun.
Hot cross bun.
Hot cross bun.
Hot cross bun.
Hot cross bun. A hot cross bun is a type of sweet pastry traditionally eaten during the Christian festival of Good Friday. It typically consists of a lightly spiced and fruited dough, often containing currants or raisins, which is marked with a cross on top made from icing or pastry. The cross represents the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Hot cross buns are often toasted and served with butter, and are a popular treat in many countries around the world, particularly in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada.